What's up, guys? I know it's been a while. As you can see, we got two new horses. This is Lily and that's Hazel. But anyway, we got a video to make today. We're gonna introduce another build to the channel. I know we gotta finish the truck still, got a lot to do on that. And I haven't filmed. I don't think I filmed for like 2 months. The last video was it was on the bed. That'll be going on actually real soon. I've been doing a lot. I've been working like crazy, and then I didn't have a computer for a while, and I built a new one. And then it was the fairs and everything, so I didn't have much time to do much filming. But everything's over now, and trying to get back on track with the videos. Actually, this weekend I'm gonna buy a bunch of truck parts. I'm not gonna tell you guys because they're clearly gonna be videos. Let's just say it's a lot of like not necessarily mods to the truck, but like upgrades on old parts that are on the truck for like chassis and stuff like that. It's stuff to deal with all that stuff. So definitely stick around and watch out for them videos. Click the notification bell to get them alerts for them videos when they do come out, and hit that subscribe button. But anyway, let's introduce my boys here. You actually seen it on his old videos. I'm sure you'll see him in this video, but we put a pro circuit pipe on his Honda. But we're gonna introduce what we're gonna be building now, and this is it. Here's what we're gonna be building. It's a 2012 KX450. Yeah, nice. But I haven't done much to it since I got it. I got it in like, I want to say May. And I put grips on it, the Emma grips. I put ASV breakaways on it. These are the custom ones. You get color mat, whatever you want to do with the color combination there. Put a seat cover on it with the little blue, whatever you want to call them, ribs. And then it's got a pro circuit pipe on it. That actually was on there when I bought the bike. Listen, you're not hungry over there, fella. But that's all it's really done to it. Brand new tires. The MX52s on it. We'll be putting an FMF and stuff on it, but like I said, it's over time for the build. Alright guys, for the new build, we're actually going to put something on the bike today. And I'm going to show you guys that here in a little bit. We're going to go through it. It'll be probably a montage, some montage clips, and then the finished product and whatnot of it. So we'll get started on this, and then you guys will see the end product of it. Catch you guys in a little. Here's what we're going to be doing with the bike today. Well, that's not going to be on the bike, but we got a graphic kit here from Split Designs. Shout out to Split Designs. It's pretty quick delivery, pretty quick work with them. Within like it was like a day or two, I think. I already had the pictures made up of the confirmation made up of the graphics, and within, let's say like 3 or 4 days, I probably had the graphics here. They came in today, so we're gonna put them on there, see if they look good. There's my boy right there, Troy Jones. Is it Films? Troy Jones Films still? Check him out. Hit him with a sub.
I have 4 videos, but there'll be more.
Yeah, hit him with a sub, and he puts up like the same content as me. He actually has a 01 Mustang. Is it 01?
Yes.
01 Mustang. He's doing some work to it, and yeah, go check him out. Also, dirt bike videos on his channel, stuff like that. I'm sure we'll make tons of videos together here coming up. So definitely just swap back and forth between us two, and it'll who knows, like if I don't have this video up, there might be a video up recently on his channel for with us in it or something like that. So just keep in mind, check him out, Troy Jones Film. I'll leave a link down in the description to his channel as well. So, but yeah, we're gonna get started on putting this kit on here, and yeah, I'll let you guys see it through there. And I don't know if I'll have the whole video of putting the kit on, but I'll definitely have a little montage of putting it on and show you guys the end of it. Alright guys, here's the finished product of it. Definitely changed the whole entire look of the bike, man. That's only the first upgrade mainly that you guys seen. A lot more to come. There's an airplane. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we're back with videos. I'm gonna try to get like 1 or 2 a week. That's my goal, and that's what we're gonna go with. And I ain't leaving again. I ain't taking no break again for like a month or 2. No weeks off. I'm gonna try to get videos all the time. We hit 100 subs, guys. We're over 100 subs now. And thank everybody for subbing and liking the videos. And yeah, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, smash that like button. It always helps looking at all the likes. Share the videos. Leave a comment down below what you think, what you'd like to see done to the truck, to the bike, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.